get a shiver in the dark. It's raining in the park. The meantime, south of the river you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. And then you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming out of the rain to hear the chairs go down. Competition in other places, above the horns, they're blowing that sound. Beyond down south, beyond down south, London town. Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. Mind his strict rhythm, he doesn't wanna make it cry or sing. Yes, and an old guitar is all he can afford when he gets up under the lights to play his thing. And Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky-tonk like anything, saving it up for Friday night. For the Sultans, for the Sultans of Swing. And the crowd of young boys, they're fooling around in a corner, drunk dressed in the best brown baggies and the platform soles. They don't give a damn about any trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll. And the Sultans, and the Sultans play real. And then the man steps right up to the microphone and says at last, just as the time bell rings, good night, now it's time to go home. And he makes it fast with one last thing. We are the Sultans, we are the Sultans of Swing.